welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today I did an Ulta collection haul that I'm going to share with you guys. I picked up some of their new goodies. Ulta collection did go through a repackaging, rebranding over the weekend, and so I picked up some things that were same formula, just different packaging, and then some brand new things all together. And then I'm going to utilize some of the stuff I already had in my stash. I'm really excited because you guys know Ulta collection is super affordable, and I know we could all use some affordable makeup right about now. If it is your first time here on my channel, let me just welcome all of you. Hello, hey there, my name is Steph. I love trying out new makeup. I'm primarily a new makeup review channel, but I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, makeup ranking videos, all that good stuff. If that sounds great to you, I want to invite you to become part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, hit the bell next to it. That way you can be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you're a fan of Ulta collection or just affordable makeup in general, please give this video a big thumbs up before you go. As usual, check the description box for links and codes and everything that I'm going to be wearing today. Some of those links and codes are affiliate, so if you do end up shopping through them, I thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. Let's dive on into this huge haul from Ulta collection. If you guys want to see this 10, perhaps 11-hour wear test and how all the makeup is going to apply, keep on watching. Okay, so if you're thinking my hair looks a little funny, it's because certain sections are pinned to hold the curl, so that's what's going on there. Let's go in with, this is a new packaging, by the way, new logo and everything. This is a Cool and Glow face primer. I believe this is a totally new product as well, so just always shake things, especially that are liquid, before I start off with them, just to be on the safe side. That's what it looks like. There is no scent to this. And sister is next to me inspecting boxes that I've thrown. I gotta throw the trash in this room because there are way too many boxes and little plastics and stuff, and she just loves getting into them, especially when I'm here filming, making the most noise. Okay, this feels really nice. It also feels hydrating, and I definitely see the glow effect from it. Now, they did release a brand new foundation, and it is this one right here, Complexion Crush. This is going to be a medium coverage foundation. I want to say this is going to be a semi-matte finish. The shade that I picked up is shade Fair Neutral. I'm trying to see, it's cruelty-free, and it's 100% bioplastic. I'm trying to see if there's anything else listed on it, and that's it. And I got these all in store at my local Ulta, and I just want to let you know this comes completely sealed, so I gotta cut this little plastic part off. So that's what the product looks like, and I'm going to use my IT Cosmetics for Ulta Beauty Love is the Foundation brush to start applying. Thank you for those of you who told me the proper pronunciation of the Tier foundation. I was saying Tur, but Tier. And I'm going to keep trying it. I think it's a good foundation, but is it worth all the hype it's gotten? I don't know, because there's a lot of other good foundations too. So I guess for the price, it's not very expensive. It's a rather affordable foundation for what you're getting. I guess it is pretty good. But, you know, you'll have to let me know either way if you've tried it, what your thoughts are. Do you think it is your all-time favorite foundation? I don't know that I would put it in that category just yet. I'd really have to look through my collection and see, okay, what else is similar? This one, by the way, is applying really well. I've pretty much gone over all of my face. I'm going to use my damp beauty sponge next, just to press everything in. Sister's chewing on a piece of plastic, so that's that little crunchy noise. Don't worry, she doesn't eat it, but she just likes to smack on it. But this is giving really good coverage, and I think the shade is working out really nicely. I'm just going to take my damp beauty sponge and whatever I have left, and just build up coverage right here on the sides of my cheeks where I have old acne scars and minor discoloration. Take some up to the forehead as well. Wow, I think that's looking really nice and smooth. We might have a winner on our hands here in the Ulta collection. Next, I'm going to go in with one of the newest concealers in my stash. It is the old packaging. They did repackage this one, but it's the same formula, so why was I going to buy it? This is the Ulta Beauty Youthful Glow Concealer. The shade I have in this one is Light Cool. Okay, so I think the complexion is looking really, really good. I I don't have any more powder, I'm sorry, cream products to go in with. So I'm going to use another old packaging, but still new to me, Ulta Beauty Setting Spray. This is the Wannabe Free Makeup Setting Spray, and it says it controls shine. Now for setting powder, I'm going to go in with a little Coty Airspun. And I'm going to use the Coty Airspun to set the under eye area as well as the T-zone. Okay, now I picked up this Beauty Besties kit, and it has this 8-pan eyeshadow palette. We have a blush, a mascara, and a lip oil or lip gloss, a lip gloss there. So I'm definitely going to be using, I don't know that I'll get to use the gloss, but I'm going to use the blush, the eyeshadow palette, the mascara. But I had been wanting this particular one. This is the Sculpt and Glow. This is just new packaging. This already existed, but every single time that I would order this, it came broken. And when I would go look for it in store, it was out of stock. The shade I got, because there's 3 different shades, is California Sunlight. So happy that I have that. I also picked up 2 bronzers. I picked up a matte bronzer. The matte bronzer is light to medium. And then I picked up the Oh My Glow bronzer. So I think I'm going to do Oh My Glow on my forehead and leave the matte to my nose. And then I am going to play around with the Sculpt and Glow and kind of just swirl all the shades together and put that on my cheeks and just pop it with a little bit of color from the single blush that's in this Beauty Besties set. All right, so I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics brush to start applying the glowy bronzer. Look at how beautiful that looks, that baked bronzer. Reminds me of Laura Geller and her baked products. Sister, stop going through the trash. Get away from there. She doesn't listen. So she's going back. And then it's full and she's going to knock it over. You hear that, guys? Hear that in the background? That's her crunching. I do love a glowy bronzer on the forehead. I think that's the only place on my face that I can pull it off, and maybe a little bit on my cheeks, but I'm not going to do it there because we got some other stuff that's going to go there. But yeah, this, I absolutely love it. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the matte bronzer. This is a Faux Glow, and pick some up. The shade I have in this one is light medium, in case I missed telling you that. Always do a matte bronzer on your nose or wherever your oily part is. Just because, you don't want to accentuate your oil. And I'm glad that Ulta Beauty rebranded, repackaged their collection. I think it looks nice. Okay, so for this one, this is what I'm doing here. This little number. And this is a BK 103. And that's what's going to go here on my cheeks. I'm treating this the way I do the Bobbi Brown face brick. And just swirl and let whatever color comes out be the color that's on the cheeks. It Cosmetics used to have, or I think they still do have, something similar, and I used to love it. Love it, love it. And of course you can use each shade individually, but I just wanted to do it this way since Just get the best of both worlds. Have bronzy, blushed, glowy cheeks. But now what I'm going to do next is take a little bit of the blush that came in that collection. This is the Flushed Blush, and I just think that's what it's called, Flushed Blush. Doesn't really have a shade other than that, but it's like a warm berry color. I'm using my BH Cosmetics brush just to apply. Now I did get a little highlighter, kind of like this size, or the size of the matte bronzer, and we're going to apply that also. We're doing a lot today to the cheeks. All right, now we're going to go in with the Oh My Glow highlighter. This one is in the shade Rose Quartz. And I'm using my Rare Beauty highlighter brush to apply. Perfect. I'm just going to go over it with the blush brush. No additional product, just to blend that together. Okay, guys, so this is the complexion. I do have a slim Ulta Beauty eyebrow pencil, but guys, I've just been using my e.l.f. one. And in case you're wondering, it is this one right here from e.l.f. This is the one that I've been using and loving. It's $3. I ordered another one. I think I have an Ulta order coming in today, and like 1 or 2 of them is going to be in that order. So I'm going to take care of the brows off camera, and when I come back, we're going to start creating a look with the Beauty Besties palette. Okay, guys, brows are on, and I've already primed my eyelids with the e.l.f. Lock It Down eyeshadow primer. Let's do something for the lips. I was looking at the lip gloss, but it's going to be a really sheer lip gloss. So I think I'm going to pair this with a e.l.f. lipstick, and this one is in the shade Effortless. Now I'm going to go in with the lip gloss that was in the kit. Perfect. Perfect combination. I think it's going to complement the palette perfectly. So these are the 8 shades that we'll be working with today. I am wearing either gray or navy to work, so any one of these is going to do just fine. I think I'm going to start here with this shade. The shade is called Always There. And I'm using my Rephr 15 to start applying. Now on a Rephr 14 Max, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This one is called Friendship. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This one is called Main Squeeze. Okay, so I think that those mattes blended out really well. No issues there. To be honest, I'm not very excited about the shimmers that are in this palette, but I did pick up this right here. This is the Gel Chrome eyeshadow, and the shade that I picked up is Nebula. So I think I want to put this on the lid. I'm going to use my Luxie 245, and there you can see a little bit on the cap what it looks like. And I know I need to keep my eye closed for a minute or two so that it can fully dry. Ooh, but that looks beautiful. And yes, it does feel wet. Wow, that is a whole lot of sparkle going on, and I'm loving it. I'm going to take care of the mascara and eyeliner off camera, and then I'm going to fix my hair, get dressed for work, and I'll be right back to show you the completed look. Okay guys, so here is the completed look. We are sparkling today. I feel like a disco ball, but I topped everything off. So what I thought was a mascara was actually a brow gel. So I did brush it through my brows, but I ended up using my Wet n Wild Breakup Proof liquid liner to tight line the top lash line. And I used this Essence eyeliner for the lower waterline. This one is in the shade Silky Nude. And then the mascara I went in with was also from Essence, the one in the lime green tube. I am going to be wear testing this makeup for 10-11 hours today. So far, I'm loving the way the complexion looks. I'm loving how everything is coordinating so well. But I will check in with you guys when I return from work, and we'll see what the face of makeup is going to look like at that point. Hey guys, so here is the 10-hour mark of this full face of new Ulta collection products. I love the way my face of makeup looks. I love the blush and highlighter going on here. The foundation did so good. The foundation did really good paired with all of the helping products. I mean, even the eyeshadow looks so cool. I really love this face of makeup. It's affordable. All of the Ulta collection has been repackaged. Some are brand new products and some are just repackaged products, but I thought everything just wore so beautifully, so well. I'll have everything linked in the description box, but I'm giving this face of makeup 2 thumbs up today. No complaints. Love the way it looks. Now I want to hear from you. Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'm going to see you all very soon. Bye.